Cakes and controversy. In the building behind me, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of a Colorado baker who refused to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple. Here are your 5 fast facts. Number 1. In 2012, same-sex couple Charlie Craig and Dave Mullins tried to buy a wedding cake from Masterpiece Cakeshop in suburban Denver before same-sex marriage was legally recognized. Number 2. Owner of Masterpiece Cakeshop, Jack Phillips, told the couple he would not create a cake for their wedding celebration and suggested they pick a pre-made cake. Phillips refuses to design custom cakes for Halloween, divorce celebrations, bachelor parties, or any other event that conflicts with his religious views. Number 3. Colorado law prohibits discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation. Therefore, the commission concluded that Phillips's refusal to bake a cake violated the law. Number 4. In a 7-2 vote, the Supreme Court sided with Phillips, stating that the commissions violated Phillips's right under the First Amendment. Number 5. Justice Anthony Kennedy said this larger issue must await further elaboration. Appeals in similar cases are pending, including one from a florist who did not want to provide flowers to a same-sex wedding. This high-profile case pitted freedom of religion against marriage equality. Let's find out what the next generation thinks. Do you think Phillips had the right to refuse baking a cake for this same-sex couple?
No.
Why not?
It's just a cake. They wanted a cake. He didn't have to get involved.
My personal opinion is that somebody shouldn't be forced to make a cake for something they don't believe in.
It's the owner's business, so he should be able to do what he wants to with his business.
I believe he has the right to say no if he just felt he didn't want to violate his own religious beliefs and participate in a homosexual way.
Should companies be allowed to choose who they want to serve?
If they want to lose a profit, yeah, sure.
If somebody walks into your store and wants to buy something and you see that they're different than your regular demographic and you don't serve them because of that, then I feel that that shouldn't be allowed.
To me, there's nothing wrong with people being able to say, I don't want to serve this person or that person. If they refuse to do it, then I'll just go to another business.
People should have the right to deny service for some reasons, but not in a persecutorial way.
If the issue is we don't want to service certain accounts by either geographic means or sexual orientation, that's up to the business.
And what should happen next?
I think maybe it could be challenged somehow.
There have been cases where it's been ruled one way and then it's been brought back to the court later and ruled another way. If this was in a time when we had a more liberal court, it might have been a completely different ruling.
State legislators are going to start making new laws, I think, in some of the more conservative states. I think they're going to be protecting these, and I think in states like California, New York, Washington, they're going to go the other way.
We have made a lot of positive changes so far, but there is still way more to be done.
When you have a case that pits freedom of religion against marriage equality, how do you choose which one is higher than the other?
I'm transgender. That's my, dog in the race, I guess. But I didn't choose to be trans. But people do choose their religion. We have protections, people protecting consumers based on race, and I think we should have that for, the LGBT community as well.
Sexuality is something that affects you on a daily basis. Something that you have no control over. You can't decide who you're attracted to, when you're attracted to someone, or how strongly you're attracted to someone in any regard. So that's something you cannot control. Religion, however, you can.
I get that people have rights to their religion. It just doesn't seem like that big of a deal to make a cake. No one's asking you to go to the wedding. Your religion shouldn't be forced on me just because that's what you believe. Freedom of religion and freedom from religion are very important to me.
As this debate continues, I will be here to cover it. Until next time, I'm Emma Barnett, and this is Next Gen News.